Charity 14. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1427, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave some advice relating to wealth. The first thing is that the upper hand is better than the lower hand. This means that the one who strives to give their obligatory and voluntary charity, according to their means, is superior to the one who gives less and instead takes things, such as wealth, from others. This narration does not criticize the needy, as they are entitled to take from others to fulfill their needs. But it criticizes those who are capable of giving but withhold, and those who do not need to take things from others yet still ask and take them. A Muslim should give according to their means, irrespective of its size, as Allah, the Exalted, observes quality, meaning one's sincerity, not quantity. Every atom's worth of good will be recorded and rewarded by Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 99 Az-Zalala, verse 7.
So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it.
And Muslims should only ask and take things from others if they really need them. Otherwise, they should abstain from asking too much, as this leads to one becoming dependent on other people and losing trust in Allah, the Exalted. One should use the resources they have been granted according to the teachings of Islam, such as their physical strength, and rely on Allah, the Exalted, to fulfill their needs. Chapter 11 Hud, verse 6.
And there is no creature on earth but that upon Allah is its provision, and He knows its place of dwelling and place of storage. All is in a clear register.
The next thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that a Muslim must first spend on their own necessities and the necessities of their dependents before donating charity. This is not only a righteous deed according to a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 4006, but it is also sinful to fail in striving in lawful ways to fulfill the needs of one's dependents, according to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2312. The final thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that the best charity is when one donates after fulfilling their needs and the needs of their dependents without excessiveness, waste or extravagance, and without putting themselves into financial difficulty. Islam teaches Muslims not to donate all their wealth, but to donate regularly according to their means in a balanced way. Quality and consistency of deeds are more important than the quantity of deeds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.